Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to hide the taskbar in Windows 11. This is useful if you want a cleaner desktop or more screen space while working. So let's get started. Firstly, right click on the taskbar, then click on taskbar settings. Scroll down and click on taskbar behaviors. Now check the option automatically hide the taskbar. Once you enable it, your taskbar will disappear automatically. When you move your mouse to the bottom of the screen, the taskbar will appear again like this. That's it. This is how you can easily hide the taskbar in Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.